Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio, where we dive deep into the enchanting world of woodworking. Today, we are embarking on a journey through time, exploring the heritage of woodcraft and how each piece tells a unique story. Cut to a craftsman working at a bench. Picture this, a piece of timber, aged and filled with character, waiting to be transformed. From something humble to a stunning work of art, that journey begins right here in our studio. Pause for a moment, allowing the audience to reflect. Have you ever wondered what makes handcrafted wood so special? It's the love, the effort, and the skill poured into every cut and every join. This craftsmanship has been passed down through generations, often holding stories that inspire and connect us. Show different tools laid out on a workbench. In this channel, we celebrate those stories. Each episode is not just about techniques but also about the history behind the wood and the meticulous methods that bring it to life. From understanding the types of wood we use to the basic tools that every woodworker should have, we'll cover it all. Transition to different types of wood samples. Let's start with the basics. Often, beginners find themselves overwhelmed by the variety of wood types available. Each type has its own unique features. For instance, oak, with its strength and durability, is perfect for furniture that lasts a lifetime. On the other hand, cedar is prized for its aroma and resistance to decay, making it ideal for outdoor projects. Visuals of oak furniture and cedar outdoor pieces. But here's a fun fact, did you know that the grain pattern of wood can tell you its age? Yes. Each mark and swirl can reveal a story of its life. It's like nature's fingerprint. Isn't that fascinating? Cut to a craftsman explaining wood grain. Now, as we delve deeper into woodworking techniques, let's shed light on some of the traditional methods that are still relevant today. Mortise and tenon joints, dovetail joints, and the art of sanding. These techniques not only secure pieces together but also elevate the aesthetics of your creation. Demonstration on making a mortise and tenon joint. For instance, the mortise and tenon joint dates back thousands of years and remains a cornerstone in the construction of furniture. It provides unparalleled strength, allowing your pieces to stand the test of time. I encourage you to try this yourself. Grab some wood, and let's create something together. Transition to a finished piece on display. Now, let's talk about finishing. A well-finished piece highlights the beauty of the wood grain. Oil, lacquer, or wax, the choices can be daunting. But remember, the finish you choose can dramatically change the feel and appearance of your project. Show samples of finished wood pieces. This is where your imagination shines. Finish your pieces with your unique touch. Don't be afraid to experiment. Cut to a segment where the host interacts with viewers. I want to hear from you. What type of wood projects have you been working on? Share your journey in the comments below. Your experiences could inspire someone else. Transition to a segment about sustainable woodworking. Let's not forget the importance of sustainability in woodworking. Choosing local, reclaimed, or responsibly sourced wood is a crucial part of our craft today. It helps protect our forests and ensures that future generations can enjoy the beauty of woodworking as we do. Show visuals of local timber yards and reclaimed wood projects. Imagine turning a piece of reclaimed barn wood into a stunning dining table. It's not just a project, it's a conversation starter, a piece filled with history and character. Cut back to the craftsman working on a reclaimed wood piece. Now, if you're eager to begin your woodworking journey, I've got something special for you. We'll be hosting a live Q&A session next week. Bring your questions, whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro. Together, we'll share insights and tips that can enhance your woodworking skills. Share this video with fellow craft enthusiasts, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Everyone's journey in woodworking is unique, and together, we can learn and grow. Join our community of passionate woodworkers striving to create sustainably and artistically. Until next time, keep crafting and connecting with nature, one piece at a time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, remember that every project is a learning opportunity. With patience and creativity, you'll find joy in each piece you create.